name is Aurora Ashafira Leonard. You can call me Aurora. I am a third grade student at Muhammadiyah 24 Surabaya Elementary School. I'm excited to be here today to talk about becoming high quality future leader. First of all, let us express our gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for everything He has given us. Without His grace, we wouldn't be here today. He has blessed us with the best religion, Islam, which guides us away from darkness and towards a better future. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala has also given us another precious gift by saying, Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam as his messenger. As we know, Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the greatest teacher, parent, role model, and leader in the world. He taught us how to become better people in this chaotic world. He left us with the most valuable present, Al-Quran and Al-Hadith, that will guide us throughout our life. Before attending Muhammadiyah, I had no idea how amazing it was. What makes it so special? At my school, our teachers prepare us, my classmates and me, to become high-quality future leaders. They teach us how to behave, how to think, and how to live like our beloved Prophet. That's why we call ourselves Muhammadiyah. We are people who love Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and follow his path. Now, let me explain why Muhammadiyah is such a great place. Muhammadiyah is preparing us to be future leaders. At my school, they teach me many things that I believe it will make me a better person and leader. First of all, a leader isn't just someone who tells people what to do. A true leader works together with others. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala says in the Quran in Surah Al-Imran, verse 159. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فبما رحمة من الله لنت لهم ولو كنت فظا غليظ القلب لانفضوا من حولك فاعف عنهم واستغفر لهم وشاورهم في الأمر فإذا عزمت فتوكل على الله. This verse basically means that kindness is essential for a leader. Imagine if you're always angry and shouting, no one will want to follow you, right? We can start practicing leadership by participating in school activities, helping at the mosque, or even organizing fun projects with our friends. By doing that, we learn how to work together and be good leaders. Second, Muhammadiyah values honesty, fairness, and doing good deeds. These are important principles that we will live by. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala says in the Quran in Surah Al-Maidah verse 8. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu kunu qawwamina lillahi syuhada'a bil qist wa la yajrimannakum shana'anu qaumin 'ala alla ta'dilu. I'dilu aqrabu lit-taqwa. This verse shows that the leader must be fair, even in difficult situations. So, if we want to be good leaders, we need to start being fair and honest in everything we do, like being truthful with our friends or treating everyone equally, even if they are different from us. Third, we must care about the people around us. As narrated by Bukhari and Muslim, each of you is a leader, and every leader will be held accountable for those they lead. Being a leader is thinking about more than just ourselves. It means noticing when others need help and taking action. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala commands us to follow this in the Quran in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 177. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Laisal birra an tuwallu wujuhakum qibala al-masyriqi wal maghrib. Wujuhakum qibala al-masyriqi wal maghrib walakinnal birra man amana billahi wal yawmil akhir wal malaikati wal kitabi wan nabiyyi. Therefore, it's not just about praying and doing good for ourselves. It's also about having others. We can start by being kind to our classmates, having someone struggling, or even sharing what we have with people who need it. This is how we learn to be caring leaders. If we start practicing these three things now, being kind, understanding fairness, and caring for others, we are on the path to becoming good leaders in the future. Every little step we take now will help us grow and be ready for whatever comes next. Let's all work together to be the best we can. Finally, the last one is Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Open a book, and you will find people and plants of every kind.
Open a book and you can be anything you want to be.
Open a book, and you can share amazing words you find there. Open a book, and I will you read to me. I will read to you. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Becoming a good learner. In a small village, there lived a young man who had a big dream. He is Rizal from childhood. Rizal dreamed of becoming a professor, even though he grew up with a low economy. Mom and Dad, I want to be a professor. I want to give a good benefit to this village.
My son, your dream is good. But we don't have much money for the next chapter of your school.
With motivation and family support, Rizal worked hard at school, obtained a scholarship, and finally succeeded in entering college and becoming a professor. Congratulations, Rizal, you have reached your dream. Thank you, sir. This is for your support too. But Rizal's journey is not easy. He has to be a good learner to get out of his dream. He's never give up. Mom and Dad, here is it, my graduate certificate. Now I'm a professor.
We are so proud of you, son. You did it! My father conference inspired me to my.
After graduating, he came back to his village to make some project for his village well. Thank you, Rizal. You make our village nice. Thank you. Wish me luck. The story of Rizal. We know how to become a good learner. We have to study hard so that our dreams will come true. Rizal is not changing himself, but also his village.
The moral value is we have to study hard and don't be lazy to reach our dreams.
Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Learning and learning English every day. I learn then forget. I forget then I remember. Oh, friends. When will learn how to speak? Learn how to write. Learn how to read in English.
Learning English like a counting rice. I don't know when I will stop because I know I will never stop learning English. Learning English is always fun. Even sometimes I found it's hard. I'm still into that to be a student that can speak English.
English.
Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Muslim shark, Muslim shark, Muslim shark. Say the shahada, say the shahada, say the shahada, say the shahada. Time to pray, time to pray, time to pray, time to pray. Let's all fast, let's all fast, let's all fast, let's all fast. Help Muslim shark, Muslim shark. Read Quran, read Quran, read Quran, read Quran. Say salam, say salam, say salam, say salam. Assalamu alaikum. Muslim shark, Muslim shark, Muslim shark, Muslim shark.